Hello, welcome to today's video. Today I'm making a chocolate sponge cake with Oreos. So let's get started. First we're going to preheat the oven to 160. 160, so leave that to preheat. While you're going to grease and line 2 tins and just put them to one side for now because we don't need them. Because now we're going to go straight ahead and mix the ingredients. We're going to now soften the butter with the sugar. So here's some butter I prepared earlier. So you're going to put that in there along with the sugar. Cup full of sugar. Put that in there. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. And we're now going to soften it. It's plugged in now. Yeah, but we're going to now soften it. Mix it together. Right, now that's mixed together, we're going to add the eggs. So I've got some eggs here in the cups. Put one in. And 2 in. And then another one just for good luck, really. There we go, 3 eggs. And now we're going to introduce them to the butter and sugar by mixing them together. Oh look, they're having a party in there. And now we want to add the flour. So in that goes. Oh, I can't see anything. So we're now going to introduce that into the mixture. So now we've got that basic cake mixture, we now need to add the baking powder, which will make it rise, otherwise it will just be a flat thing, like a biscuit. And now, to make it a chocolate sponge, we're going to add chocolate powder. And then we're going to mix it together till it looks the same colour. You want to scrape the edge bits off as well, because you don't want lumps of butter in this chocolate cake, otherwise it will stand out when it's finished. But now we're going to put that to one side so it can all blend together neatly. And we're going to now go to this thing, and we're going to attempt to grate some of these mini Oreo biscuits which will go inside the filling. So let's get started. Right, we're going to turn the mixer on. Wow! You might want to get a close-up of this. This is really fast. Yes. So we're going to now try and grate some biscuits in this. Right, I think that's enough having fun. We now need to actually look at these. Right, we now need to get to the actual video, which is actually grating these bad boys, which don't really want to be grated. And these have been in the cake mix, so these are no good anymore, but they're good to eat. I wouldn't recommend doing this at home because it's got raw egg in it. So we're now going to grate these Oreo biscuits, which I attempted to do before, but this time I'm going to have to do it again. But this time, I'm not taking any chances. Bring out the safety stuff. Bring out the safety stuff. So, you want to get rid of a basic hat, you don't want that. You want the safety glasses. You need to get these on because it's going to be really noisy. So you want them on like that. And I can't hear anything, so that's good. You want to put this on so the Oreos know where you are. Because that's basically the last thing you want, is for the Oreos to not know where you are, end up hitting you, and you just look like an idiot, really. Well, I look like an idiot anyway, so that doesn't make a difference. But yes, you need a helmet because they're going to try and hit you, aren't they? Aren't they? Yeah. And some ear things. Wait, do we need the safety gloves? You need safety gloves as well, just because blades are really sharp and they can cut your fingers off. Right. Once you're prepared and ready, you can now start to blend them. This one escaped, so I'm going to eat it. Once you've finished eating that biscuit, you can put this on. This is going to protect you from any outflying Oreos that want to escape their infinite torture of being blended. Let's go. Now they've been blended, we need to take them out again and re-blend them. For this, you can take your ear defenders off so you can hear yourself properly. And safety glasses as probably a bit more. Looks like soil. No. I reckon that's grated enough. Right, so we now need to add our Oreo biscuit soil, because it looks like soil, into our cake mixer. Once it's in there, you want to mix it together with the electric mixer, but not on too powerful. So you want to mix it evenly so that it's all mixed in, so that both layers of the cake will have some Oreos in. So there we go. Not forgetting to remove the butter. That's lumps around the top. So now you got the basic, you got the sponge cake mix all ready with the bits of fragmented Oreos in there. We're now going to put them into tins. But first of all, you want to just just clean off the excess. And put that to one side. It came alive from the dead. I didn't set that going, Greg. That's not working. Right. Is it still filming? Right, you now want to add... Piss off, Pete! Piss off! Okay, Lexi. Okay, Lexi. Right, we're now going to add the cake mixture evenly into our 2 tins. So a scoop at a time, I would say, is the best way. Right, now they're flattened, we're now going to put both of them in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until something stuck into them, like my finger, comes out clean, which will be never, if it's my finger of course, because I like eating. So we're now going to put them in, set the timer, otherwise they'll end up overcooking. So I'm going to set the timer to 24 minutes. Now I'm going to do the icing, so I've got some icing sugar in here, and we're going to add the butter. Boing. To Pete, and we're going to sieve some chocolate powder. Now I'm going to mix the icing together. Right, so you got the sponge like that, and you want to get a thingy, bub. You want to get a mixing thing, a pink one, yes. And we're going to be just going and spreading it out along the top. There's not much in here, to be honest. You want to try and put most of the buttercream in here to connect the sponges together, but then you want to save some for the topping. So you got that. So I would say that's about smooth enough, and you want to put the top on without breaking it too much. So you want to put the top on, like so. Like so, and we're going to now put some more on the top. However, smooth it out, only in the middle if possible. Don't use all of it because we need to put some for the cookies to stick on. So you want to smooth it out a bit more. There you go. That should probably be about enough. Put a bit more on, just for extra. You want to try and carefully break these cookies and stick some in the icing. Stick it in the icing and then just flood them on.
Stick it in the icing. Stick it on. Stick it in the icing. And stick it on. Icing. Hey, what are you doing here? Making a baby. Baby, oh yeah. Yeah. Look at this. Look at these. What did you on that? Right, now on to the big one. See like that? You want to try and break these biscuits now without them snapping. See that? And then
Hello, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how I made this cake. So it's been a day now. This has been in the fridge for a day to set because you want the chocolate to set. And I've just covered it with some icing sugar. So let's cut the cake. I'm going to just cut it like that. And take it on the plate. So I've not actually tried this yet, so as you can tell. But let's try this cake. It is really amazing, and the fact that the cookie worked, the crumbs of cookie worked, it's even better. So, and the taste is just so chocolatey. I hope you liked this tutorial on how to make it. Make sure you check out the outtakes and funny bloopers, which were really so funny. So that's going to be down in the description below or on the end screen probably. But make sure you check the outtakes out, and thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe for more. Bye.